Hey everybody, it's Miss T along with Miss People from the Plainfield Children's Library of the Plainfield Public Library. Thank you for coming in for another special story time. Today is the Treehouse Playhouse edition of I Am a Donkey. Story, pictures, and bad grammar by C.C. Bell. Enjoy.
I am a donkey.
What did you say? I am a donkey? The proper way to say that is I am a donkey.
You is a donkey too? You a funny looking donkey.
No, I am a yam. You are the one who said I am a donkey.
So you is a donkey. You just said so. Let's hear you hee-haw, donkey.
No. You are a donkey. I am a yam.
You is a yam. I am confused because I know I heard you say I am a donkey.
Don't say yam. It's am. Am.
Okay. So what you is saying is that you is a donkey, right?
No, I am not a donkey. And it's not you is, it's you are. You are.
You sure you is a donkey? 'Cause that's not like any hee-haw I ever heard.
I am not a donkey. I am a yam.
I am confused. First you say, I am a donkey. Then you say, I am a yam. Hee-haw. Yam a ding-along. Whatever you is silly.
Oh, I never said I am in my entire life.
Hee-haw, you just did. So what is you then?
Oh, good grief. It's not what is you, it's what are you? What are you? What are you? What are you?
Is that your hee-haw? You is the weirdest donkey I know.
Listen, donkey. I am a yam. It's not I am, it's I am. And you are a donkey. It's not you is, it's you are.
Huh?
Let me explain, donkey. Look here. I am. You are. She is. He is. And they are. We are.
Is you trying to tell me I am not the only donkey here? That you and all them other critters is donkeys too? I need to get my eyes checked.
Oh, for Pete's sake. Look, I am a yam. You are a donkey. He is a carrot. She is a turnip. And they are green beans. Except for you, we are not critters. We are vegetables.
Oh, you is lunch.
Oh.
That was delicious. Moral of the story. If you're going to be eaten, good grammar don't matter. Yeehaw! Where is that silly donkey at? I am going to miss him. Yum.
Yay! Take a bow, donkey. And of course, our parade of vegetables, the green beans.
Yum.
the turnips,
Yum, yum, yum.
the carrots,
Yum.
and the yam. Once again, that was I am a donkey.
I am.
Excuse me, I am. Okay. I am a donkey. Story, pictures, and bad grammar once again by C.C. Bell.
My friend.
Thank you for coming in, and we'll catch you another time from the Children's Library of the Plainfield Public Libraries, the Tree House Playhouse Edition.
Yeah.
Thank you for coming out. Thank you, Yam.